my exhibition at the Nurture Nature Center in Easton, Pennsylvania, September 21st to November 25th, 2024. This exhibition of 15 paintings explores the unseen environment that surrounds us. There is energy that we hear, smell, and sometimes feel. Then there is the energy we don't notice, like cellular transmissions, other forms of radio waves, and particles that travel through the air. In my 2 rock paintings, each rock is the size of a small van and was deposited by the glaciers that formed Long Island. I often paint subjects found in my backyard garden, such as flowers, birds, and insects. These are combined with elements of unseen energy in a series of psi art paintings. In this series of energy circle paintings, I am exploring various ways to portray sound in different settings and different moods by juxtaposing one color against another color. The last group of paintings has subjects found while driving around my environment. They are my earliest explorations of the unseen energy as part of the natural world around us.